Alright guys, it's a new day and my name is Obed. I welcome you to my channel, Obi Graphics. Today is another video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to design this simple and beautiful business logo in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so what we are going to do is just open your Adobe Photoshop like this, and then head over to your file menu, click on new, and then you set your size to 10 inches by 10 inches or a 4 square size, and then you name it your choose a name for it. Then you leave the resolution to 300. Then you click on create. Alright, now you can see that we have our 4 square size set or in place. Now from here, what we are going to do is to draw a shape. So we are going to draw a square. So you head over to your shape tools here, the rectangular tool, and then you click on the rectangle tool. Then you draw square like this. Good. And then you change the color to, and we are going to use this color code here, which is 011718. Then you click on OK. Great, we have our logo. Then let's lock it so that it doesn't move around. Now after this, you head over to the same rectangular tool again, but this time around you select the ellipse tool, right? And then you hold your shift key on your keyboard, then you draw a perfect circle just as you are seeing nicely. Okay, but then you change the color to white. Good. And you position it very well. Good. Then from here you are going to just hold your grid lines here, right? Just drag from the top to somewhere here, and then you drag from this side to somewhere here. Okay, good, like this. Good. And then you head over to the circular shape, and then you rasterize. You right click and then you rasterize that layer. So you rasterize, then you click on, or you move on to the lasso tool here, but click on the polygonal lasso tool, right? And then you cut off this portion like this. Just cut it away because we don't want that part. When you are done selecting it, can either right click and then click on layer via cut to get rid of it, or you can better still after selecting everything, then you click on delete to get rid of it, and then press on Ctrl plus D to deselect. Alright, now so from here you head over to the grid, or you can still use this grid line, but this time around you move the horizontal one to the bottom like this, and then you move the vertical one this way. Good. Then you head over to your shapes again, and then you click on the rectangle tool. Now from here to you hold your shift key to draw a perfect square like this. Then you release your finger, change the color to white again. Good. Then you position it very well. Good. So from here you head over to your view, and then you click on clear canvas guide. Awesome. Now the next thing is to keep everything intact. or everything in the middle. So you select the shape, right? Everything, the shape, all the shape, then you decrease the size or just adjust it, then keep it right in the middle. Very well, like this. Great. So from here, the next thing we're going to do is to enter or input our text. So just click on the text tool. Now we are using the font Montserrat and then bold. Okay. So now that we have our letter in place like this, the next thing is to merge the letter and the shape we have here. So just rasterize the letter, rasterize it, okay, and then you hold or move the text, move the shape, right? This particular shape here, the one we just cut out the portion of it, moved that shape above the square, above the square, so that it will be below the letter B. And then select the shape, hold shift, and then click on the letter, select everything, then you right click on it, then you click on merge layers. Good. Now you realize that we've merged the letter B and then the shape, the white shape here. Now what we're going to do is to get rid of the red area in this particular result we have here. So just head over to your eraser tool and then select the magic eraser and then okay, good. So here we are using the color code FF7800, just like you are seeing here. Now change your text size to 24.18, and then the space between the betterment and then the fashion, the leading shape, the leading size to 21.77. Okay. Now you don't necessarily have to keep your sizes like this. Wow, for the record of this tutorial, okay, just for the record of this tutorial, we are going to keep the size and everything this way, just like I just said earlier. Good. So from here, just adjust your shape or your logo to suit your own liking and preference. And voila, there we have our simple yet professional and classic logo designed in less than 15 minutes in Adobe Photoshop. So with this knowledge, you can use this procedure and then design any logo for any client or for any brand or any business you wish or that requires your service on logo design. So thank you for staying with me throughout the tutorial from the beginning till the end. I'll say thank you very much, and please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so, and then like and then comment. Your comment really matters to me a lot. So until I come your way with another tutorial video, it's thank you and I'm out.